Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download Endnote for free on your laptop or PC. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and search for Endnote download. From the search results, click on the official Endnote website. Once you're on the site, you'll see options to purchase or try Endnote for free. Click on the option that says Try Endnote Free to start your 30-day free trial. After that, you'll be taken to a page where you can choose between different license types, like full license, student license, and more. I'm going with the full license for this example. Now, fill in your basic details like name and email address, card details if needed. Then click Next. You'll be asked to review and agree to the privacy policy and terms of use. Once that's done, hit Done, and the Endnote free trial will begin downloading to your device. Before the trial ends, make sure to cancel it if you don't want to be charged. Later, you can download it again using a different email ID or card details if needed. And that's it. You've now successfully downloaded Endnote for free on your laptop or PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.